Hi there everyone, welcome to Chill and Trade TV. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and click on that notification bell. And if you're back here again, I welcome you back. So guys, I know I haven't been posting in a while, and that's simply because there were no trading opportunities, guys. First of all, it does happen in the market where you wait weeks and weeks without any trading opportunities. So you just need to wait, guys. Having discipline doesn't necessarily mean you follow your trading plan. Having discipline also includes being patient and waiting for the market to give you those trades in your trading plan. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into today's video. And you guys simply know I focus on three currency pairs: Audcad, GJ and Eurusd. And there are some trading opportunities that would possibly play out or are gonna possibly play out for the next coming week. So that is why I am recording and sharing my analysis. So let's get into the video, and just go back to my previous videos as well, just so you are up to date with what's been going on. So I'm not gonna explain this pattern. I'm only gonna go down to the 1 hour time frame and look for those entries or trading opportunities that we have for next week. So if you want to know the daily setup, just go back to the previous videos. I'm sure you will find something there. So let's get into this Audcad 1 hour time frame. So as you can see, the market has been playing along normal market structure. While normal well what I meant to say, yes, normal market structure, and it's a normal trend, normal bullish trend. Let me just get rid of this. It's a normal bullish trend, you know. um Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher highs, higher lows, and obviously we're looking for continuation higher highs. We're looking for continuation for the market to make higher highs. Well, for this trend to continue making those higher highs. Same thing, but I guess I hope you guys get the idea. So let's just analyze what we currently have. Remember, focus on current market structure. It's also good to just identify where the market comes from, but mostly focus on current market structure. So what we have in front of us, let me just see continuation pattern here. Nice pennant, continuation pattern, broke out, and now the current market structure is corrective. Let's see what we have here. What pattern is this? Probably gonna give us the same pattern. Yes, the same pattern, so these are basically the same, which to me identifies or tells me that rather the market is still going to push up, going to push up, probably until this leg. probably to get this leg. So any breakout, we continue looking for buys. This pattern is ready, but it might just go back down here and then give us that buy. Also, if you want to catch it here, you can, because this is the first touch, second touch, and the third touch. Otherwise, if you are more of a safer trader, you want confirmation a bit, which that is me. You know, I don't just put my money in the market. Don't just give the market my money just like that. I want confirmations. I'm gonna wait for price to break above this high, close, and then I'll continue holding those buys. So let's go down to Euro USD. So this is the analysis for Audcad. Clean and simple and easy to understand. So on to the next pair, which is Euro USD. So with Euro USD, remember my previous analysis was more sells because of the daily trend. Let's just go to the daily so that you understand what I was talking about. So remember this pattern, this outer pattern. I was looking for sells all the way until this low, and then I said I'll be looking for bullish reversals, right? Okay, however, I noticed that price reversed aggressively to the upside. And didn't give me a correction. I thought it was gonna give me a correction, but it didn't. Instead, it reversed aggressively to the upside. So I'm not saying that this might not maybe form was this a bigger correction of some sort. We don't know. So for now, I think as I looked at it deeper and deeper, I realized that there is a possibility of a pattern forming within the outer pattern. So it's gonna be a pattern within a pattern, and identify that by that high, and took this low, I mean, to this low, and this is a pattern which I can identify with. Let me just go to the weekly. Let me just go to the weekly and just expand this a bit. So currently, let me just put that there. So price, okay, let me use the previous low instead. Okay, so this is a pattern within a pattern, and I think I once mentioned in one of the previous videos, when you get patterns within a pattern, you wait for the inner pattern to complete before the outer pattern can carry on and play out. I don't know if that makes sense, but I hope it does and you guys understand what I mean. The inner pattern has to complete first before the outer pattern can carry on, and that's that. So yes, my bias changed quite a bit, so I'm currently just looking for buys all the way until the highs of the inner pattern, and then from there, obvious, I'll be looking for sells. But this is more long term. This can even start playing out next year, mid next year. So right now, let's just focus on these buys. Focusing on these buys, let's move on to H4 time frame and see if we can get proper clear market structures. Okay, still the same bias, nothing has changed. Let me try and identify if we have a pattern here or not. Let me try and identify if we have a pattern or not. Okay, I'm just gonna separate these so that it's much clearer and better. Okay, I see that. Okay, let's go to H1, because H1 is where I usually get my entries. Oh, okay, this is, if I do this, now the market is clear. It's clear. Strong bullish impulse gave us a pattern, then a bullish impulse gave us a pattern. So right now, same thing. I'll be looking for buys. Buys. And I always say, guys, look for this kind of patterns to enter the market. And as you can see, might also just go down, give us a third touch here, and then continue. So first touch, second touch, possible third touch, and then buy. For all those who are aggressive traders or want to catch the market early or catch the move early as it starts to play, you can enter there. I might also do that, but I'm most probably gonna wait for the breakout. Let me just see if there's also row reversal here. Roll reversal there. The zone. Okay. This will be just false breakouts, and then here too. Okay, so there is enough confirmation to get it at the lows, to get it at the start. Okay, guys, oh, sorry about that. It's just me talking to my inner self. But yeah, guys, that's basically it for Euro USD. Simple and clean, not too hectic. Let's go to GJ. Let's go to GJ. I think GJ, I was also in the previous videos, I was also looking for buy opportunities. If not sells, then buy opportunities. Just have to go back and rewatch the videos. I think I cleared my analysis because this was giving me this pattern. Okay, no, let me rather do it from that high. Do it from that high. Alright. There's a channel. Let me go to H for time frame. H for time frame. Still looking for the same thing. Still looking for buy opportunities because of this strong bullish impulse. Hoping to get a corrective structure here, and then wherever it completes, I'll be looking for buy setups to continue entering the buys. Okay, let me just get rid of this, and then it will be better for me to go down to the H1 time frame. So that I can explain what I see. So guys, if you backtest whatever strategy you use, like, your eyes who are naturally just going to get used to seeing your setups, because basically you're just trading things that repeat themselves in the market most. So that's why I can just open a pair and see certain patterns already playing out before I even draw them out, or identify them rather, because I'm so used to did my back test, so my eyes are used to seeing these patterns. Okay, let me go to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Just get rid of that. Okay, now it's much clearer. So basically, we can see this is one of my continuation patterns. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but there are 3 patterns playing out here. If you're also a chart pattern trader, maybe you spotted this as well. So according to this pattern and the previous pattern I showed, there are continuation patterns which indicate that the market needs to go down one last time before it gives us that buy. And why do I say this? Because I can also see, if I do this, if I join those highs and this low, this is a continuation pattern, but I think let me look for this one instead. Yes, this one looks better. So both the outer pattern and the inner pattern indicate that this needs to go down one last time, because the outer pattern is a descending pattern and needs to complete at the 3rd touch as well. It's going to be 1st touch, 2nd touch, and then 3rd touch is around here. So you also have this inner pattern as well, which indicates reversal. So it also needs to just go down, and then usually this pattern completes around these lows. So either way, when it does complete, you can look for short-term sells, and then at this low, near this zone, look for buys, 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 look for buys. So yeah, or this one, same thing, a pattern within a pattern. See, these both patterns within the outer pattern indicate bearish continuation. So I'm confident about this sell, confident about this sell, unless the market decides otherwise. But according to market structure and my trading strategies, the market usually most of the time plays out, most of the time plays out. So yeah, that's it from me for the next coming week. These are the trading opportunities I am looking for. I'll be looking for short-term sells until this low, and then when price gets to this low, I'll look for those buys. That's Gbpjpy. And let me see. Okay, Audcad, just looking for a breakout to continue the buys. Eurusd as well, breakout, continue the buys. So thank you for watching this video and staying up until this long. I hope you guys are also getting value from these videos, and guys, please like and subscribe, as it motivates me and keep me going to continue doing these videos, because not only am I doing this for myself, but I'm also doing it for you as well. So do the most, like and subscribe. Until the next video, have a profitable trading week next week, ladies and gentlemen. This is Chill and Trade TV. Peace out.